Today we're going to be doing assignment 10. This is another Wireshark lab that's going to be based on TCP, and we're going to be answering 6 questions on this lab. Alright, so let's run the instruction. So when we, before we do Wireshark, we need to open these two links. First we open this one, and to show the text of Alice in Wonderland, the ASCII copy. And I have it right here open. Hold on. Right here. And as you can see here, it says Alice Adventures in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll. And it's down the rabbit hole. So we save the text as save as you see here. Now once you save the text, it'll be stored in your computer. And you see here, there's mine saying Alice. And now, what we do, we open the second link right here that I have in highlighted. And I put it right here. And now, what we need to do, we need to choose the file on our Alice. And we open it. And then, in this box, we upload alex.txt. But before we need to do that, we need to open Wireshark. And then, you need to start, let me read the instruction for you. Okay. You start up your Wireshark and you begin the packet capture. And then, once you start it, you upload the alex.txt file to the gl.cs.umath.edu server. Once it has been uploaded, you stop your Wireshark packet capture and it will be showing the packet. So what it should look like after you upload it, well, basically, let me close this. It will show up like this saying, congratulations, you now transfer a copy of alex.txt from your computer to gaia.cs.umath.edu. You should know, you should now start Wireshark package. Once you stop, it will show like this all your packages. You need to write TCP, like to know what you're looking. And for when you need to enter questions, let's go back to the questions. Okay. Well, question 1 is just wanted to see if we already did the process for Wireshark, but it's good. But 2 and 3 remain the same question in question 1, but they just want to see the way we know. So let's try to answer number 3. What is the IP address and the TCP port number used by your client computer to transfer the file to gaia.cs.umath.edu? And so which one will be the computer and which one is the IP address of the internet server? Okay, for your computer, it would be this one right here. Since if it says SYN in parentheses, you got sequence that equals 0, so that would be your computer, your own computer. And the IP address is this number 192.168.16.183. And we need to look at the number port. I would know a bit what the port number. Hold on. And the port number is this one right here, if you're seeing right here. And being shown here is 56516. So then we write that down here. For number 3, 5616. Hold on, 56. We forgot number 516. Alright, we have it. And for number 2, the IP address of gaia.cs.umath.edu and the port number. Okay. So for that number, the IP address is right here in this one. And as you see here, the number is 128.119.245.12. And that is the IP address of the web service. So then we write and the port number. Okay. Wait 1 minute, please. Yes. And the destination and the source. Destination port. Hold on. Sorry. And we could say port for to transfer to the GAIMS. The send and receive. Well, the connection is, hold on, maybe two. Is, you know what, I'll explain that in part 2, I think.